Hello, everybody. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today, we're going to get right into it with our angel number 888. We are continuing our angel number series. If you are seeing 888 all over the place, no matter where it's at, it's a sign, a divine sign, that abundance is on the way. Prosperity, infinite flow into your life. What is it that you want to do? Step into it. Look all around and be grateful for all the abundance and prosperity around you. Even, you know, if you don't have the money you want yet, you're walking through the grocery store, be thankful that you can pay for your groceries. Be thankful that there's abundance of food in the store that you could buy. Be grateful that you have an abundance of friends and all kinds of opportunities coming to you right now. Pay attention to what's going on to you. It's divine energy. Pay attention to the love. Be grateful for the love, the clarity. Abundance and prosperity is not only in money form. Be grateful and thankful for the love around you, the clarity that you have, and more clarity's on the way. Just everything that you have around you, your gifts that people give you, your friends, your clothing, you're in an infinite flow. You're a magnet now. You'll manifest much easier. Go ahead and be creative. Trust your intuition. You know that nudging, your gut nudging and everything. Trust that. Go with inspired actions. Your angels are telling you to trust it. Trust the feelings that you're getting. Trust what you think is happening. Go with it. Don't compromise your integrity. Don't go doing stuff that's against your faith. Don't be going against something that's feeling wrong inside of you. Stay focused. Stay patient. It will pay off. And you do not have to ever, you know, uh, compromise to manifest something. You don't have to go against your beliefs or anything. Now, we're just touching on the basis here. We can get more into it later. But do these things and make sure that you're grateful. If you turn an 8, the number 8 on its side, it's also an infinity sign. The flow into your life is not going to stop. Be aware of your blessings, however small, however big. Blessings come in many shapes and sizes, and so does abundance. Be grateful for those pennies, those dimes, those nickels you're finding on the floor and laying all around. I like to put mine in what I call my abundance jar, and I have it on my kitchen counter. And just remember to be grateful for what you have now as more flows into your life. I sure do love each and every one of you. God bless you. Remember, don't compromise. Stay patient. Everything is working out for you. Your angels are showing you this, and abundance is on the way to you right now. With that, I'll leave you, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a fabulous day.